All right, let's take a look at numbers 12 and 13 from the review packet. And number 12 says to solve this system, and it's 3x plus 2y equals 7. And the other equation in the system is y equals negative 2x plus 3. All right, we can do direct substitution here, right? We've got y and this y, and we can substitute what y equals for that. So what we're going to do is have 3x plus 2. Now I'm going to substitute in this expression for that. Negative 2x plus 3. And that equals 7. So now if I do the distribution, right here, I get 3x minus 4x plus 6 equals 7. Well, 3x minus 4x is negative 1x. Subtract 6 from each side, and I get negative x equals 1. So that tells me that x equals negative 1. And that's number 12. All right, number 13 is a multiple choice question, and they gave us this absolute value inequality. 4x minus 6, the absolute value of that, needs to be greater than or equal to 18. Okay, so now, as I look at this, I think about 4x minus 6 needs to be greater than or equal to 18, or 4x minus 6 needs to be less than or equal to negative 18. Now that or, if we look at the four choices A, B, C, or D, the only ones that have ors in it are C or D. So A and B are out right now, gone. So we just have to figure out which one goes with which. So if I add 6 to each side here, I get 4x has got to be greater than or equal to 24. So x has got to be greater than or equal to 6. Okay, so this makes me think that it's probably going to be C, but let's work with this other one as well. If I add 6 to each side here, I get 4x has got to be less than or equal to negative 12, or x has got to be less than or equal to negative 3. And that corresponds with choice C. So yes, choice C is the solution. Alright, well I hope this helped out, and if anybody has questions, come see me early tomorrow morning. And thank you, and have a good evening.